eat the red pants. I'm gonna eat it though.
That's just fair.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So today we are going to be doing a Mother's Day vlog. We're going to be doing some stuff today for Mother's Day. We're going to be going to South Carolina, to Hilton Head. And my boyfriend has some things for us to do. So we're going to see what all he has planned to do. So right now, we got to get me and Ava something to wear. Because we don't have nothing to wear. And as y'all see, Ava is just ready to go. She's just ready to go. I look a mess. Ava look a mess. We all look a mess. But we just ate breakfast. We had oatmeal and smoothies. Say hello. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so let's go find something for us to wear. Come on, let's go find something for you to wear. Since we're going to the beach, I was thinking like a dress. Let's see. I like this one. Which one, Ava? Which one? Ava, look. Which one? Look. We're just gonna go with this one. Yeah. You want to wear your Mickey Mouse purse, Ava?
No.
You want your purse?
No.
Why? What I want to wear? Ava got a cute outfit to wear, but I don't know what I want to wear. So I'm gonna wear this two-piece. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this two-piece. What type of shoes? What type of shoes? So I just got out the shower and now don't mind the back of my hair because my hair keep coming out with these invisible locks. Like, you see what I'm talking about? They just be sliding out. Granted, I might have forced that one a little bit, but why did I do that? It's about to get ready. To get ready, Ava?
No.
Why not? To brush your teeth?
No.
Yes, you are. Come on,
Why?
brush your teeth. So it's cool though, cause we ain't never been to Hilton Head before. Good job. So Hilton Head is probably like an hour and a half drive from us. Y'all done? Y'all done?
What?
Y'all done? Thank you.
How about
My turn. Then we're gonna go in with some bio oil. Everybody be saying that bio oil is so good, and I've been using it, and I'm not seeing a difference. And then the other day while I was cooking, I burnt myself. The grease popped on me. Hurt really bad. So I really don't like my outfit.
How?
But I don't
Oh.
have anything else to change into.
Where is? Where you?
So for my makeup, it's gonna be hot outside, so I'm not even about to do a whole bunch of no face full of makeup. This is literally because my eyes be looking so dark. And some powder on the top. But my name's Asia. I'm 23 years old and I am in the military. military. I'm a mom of one little girl, and I have a little boy on the way.
Oh, I just poked myself in the eyeball.
Our life isn't that exciting. Like, it's really not. Y'all gonna hate me, but I do not wear earrings. I don't wear them. I hate earrings. Like, I really don't like them. I get you some earrings.
No. Wait, let me get more. No.
Yes, I do.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Okay, so we getting ready right now. I gotta pack my bag. And I gotta pack Ava diaper bag. The life of an influencer. So we are leaving the house now on the way to South Carolina. And this gonna be a long ride. She probably gonna go to sleep. Ava! Ava, hi! Yeah, she not feeling the car ride. But she probably gonna go to sleep. I'm probably gonna go to sleep. He gonna be up driving by himself.
I'm gonna go to sleep too.
He gonna be up driving by himself. Like, we haven't even made it off post yet. Like, we literally just leaving the house. And right now, the time is 12:24 p.m. Wait, p.m.? It's not 8. It's 12:24 p.m. So, we should be getting there around, like, 1:30. You think? 2 o'clock?
Take an odd 30 minutes.
You about to drive that slow?
I'm driving the speed limit.
Okay, so it's gonna take us forever to get there. This is my second one of these Starbucks cups, because the first time I broke it at work and I cried. I don't even know how I broke it at work. It's like 1 minute it's sitting on the counter, the next minute it's on the ground in pieces. And they just thought it was the funniest thing in the world. It wasn't that funny. I need to get one of these things to like go on the car part so I won't have to hold the phone. That'd be a nice gift.
Gifted out.
Let me tell y'all about my Mother's Day gift. The car telling on us that we ain't got no seatbelts on. She already about to go to sleep. But let me tell y'all about my Mother's Day gifts. Let me put my seatbelt on. Always ride with your seatbelts on. Always. Look at all these MPs waiting to get us with no seatbelt. I opened my gifts early because he wanted to wait until Sunday to open my gifts. Why would I wait until Sunday to open my gifts? And then you gonna tell me that I got gifts. And then you told me where they was hidden at.
I ain't tell you nothing.
You did not tell me though. But you made it noticeable where my gifts were. So of course I was gonna want to see them. So I ended up opening my gifts early. And for my gifts, I got really nice blender. Y'all, it makes soups and dips and everything. It's a ninja. And then I got a cast iron skillet. It's a big heavy skillet too. Like, that ain't just the average pot that your granny used to have on the stove. Like, that is a really big cast iron skillet. Then I got a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a really long time. He don't even like the shoes though, but I really like them. But he said he just got them because I like them. But yeah, I got a pair of shoes that I really been wanting. And then I got, y'all can really call me old, I really don't care. But I got some pajamas. Y'all, I love pajamas. Like, they really soft and then they short. I got some really nice pajamas. And then I got a purse from a black owned business. But I'm gonna wait and show y'all that purse later because it ain't got here yet. But what else I got? Oh my god, he got me some really, really nice perfume. I don't even know what it's called, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but it smells really good. I even sprayed it on Ava today. What is it called? You don't know. You bought it and you don't know what it's called.
You wearing it, you don't know what it's called.
Okay, but that's besides the point. We stopping at the gas station. Y'all, I'm having a really hard time looking. What am I gonna look at? I don't want to look at this little bitty camera, but I want to look at myself. But I don't want to look weird when I'm looking at myself and I'm supposed to be looking at the camera. I don't know what to do. But it's okay because this is my first video that I'm going to be uploading and I'm going to get used to it. I'm going to get used to it. And then I'm going to invest in a camera because right now I'm using my iPhone. Yeah, but I'm going to invest in a camera. I'm going to invest in a camera. And I'm going to get the gist of this. I'm going to get the hang of this. Because right now, I can't do it. Like, I can't. I don't know where to focus. Like, what am I doing? So, we are only 20 minutes into the ride. Ava is already sleeping. Yeah, I knew it was coming. And I'm about to go to sleep, too. Because I need a little nap so I won't be irritated the rest of the day. We riding right now, and I need some snacks. Look at you. What?
On the Slim Jim.
Why?
You gotta buy that.
Shit, cause I be dehydrated. Why is you all in my snack box? I can't just have no snack to myself. So exciting. Like, I've never been to Hilton Head before. The only places I've been to is Charleston. I mean, not Savannah, South Carolina. Put it in your pocket. I'm not getting the trash. Why would just not have trash can? My lunchbox not a trash can.
What's your car is? What else you got?
Nothing for you. Stop! And you, I don't want to play his hair.
No, I'm not. Just because you don't want it.
And you still gonna eat them. Ugh, I hate the red packs. I'm gonna eat it though.
That's just fair.
Say more. More. Just got into South Carolina. We just passed the state line. And when I tell y'all, as soon as we passed the state line, it started raining. So now it's raining. And I don't know how our plans are gonna go. Because what if they cancel the thingy?
It's not gonna be raining.
You don't think so?
In two places.
We fingers crossed that it stops raining because y'all can see the outside. Well, it's not, like, you can't see the rain right here. You see the rain right here though. But yeah, it's raining. So Ava's still sleeping. She's knocked out. She's definitely gonna be hungry when she wakes up. So we're gonna have to stop and get some type of snack foodie thingy for us to eat. I'm really upset about this rain. Stop raining and it's sunny again, so I'm happy about that. And we listening to YoungBoy new album, and he being a hater. Okay, y'all, so I had to get my storage right on my phone because they just keep trying to tell me I ain't got no storage, and I got gigabytes. I got gigabytes. So this is, I should have said this from the beginning, but this is our Mother's Day trip. Well, is it my Mother's Day trip? Is this for me? Am I the drama? Vegas. We're going to Hilton Head, South Carolina, and we're gonna go out to eat to this restaurant called, drumroll please.
You just need some time to think about it.
I've never been flued out for Mother's Day, like
Drove out.
drove out. I never been drove out for Mother's Day,
We
like.
about to go see the motherfucking dolphins on the boat, like.
Yeah, we about to go see the dolphins. We got
Yeah,
a
I've never
boat
seen no
thingy.
dolphins.
Yeah, I didn't even know South Carolina had dolphins. Like, I thought dolphins was
You should've
only.
said that, man. You sound stupid.
Was that dumb? I thought dolphins was just like in places like islands. Like, I don't know, like out the country. I know.
You got 6 minutes. You done rip the goddamn suit up.
Did I rip it?
Yo.
My boob ain't come out. Speaking of kids, y'all, so we talked about it and we're gonna actually have like 6 kids.
Who talked about it?
So we're here and we're finally at Hilton Head. Ava's still sleeping, so we gotta get her stroller out, but y'all, it's really nice out here. It's a lot of traffic though. The traffic is insane. Let me help with this stroller. So we are sitting and grabbing something really small to eat before we go on our boat tour. Ava is finally up. Ava, you finally up? But so far, it's really pretty out here. And we're sitting outside at this restaurant. I don't know what it's called. It's called Fish. It's called Fish. So, just got done eating, and this is where we're at right now. We're by the beach, and we're about to go to Rita's. Y'all, I love me some Rita's. Ava, look, Ava, look. About to go to Rita's. Okay, y'all, so we just left from, I don't know where we was just at, but we just left from there, and now we're on the way to do this boat tour to see some dolphins. Just made it to the boat thingy, and we see some really big boats right here. Ava's having a good time so far. And we're about to go. We're literally an hour early. So we're about to go look at the water and take some pictures, because this outfit definitely needs the recognition that it needs. But y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so excited, like, I'm so excited. Like, look at this. It just looks really nice. So we're about to go see what this water over here is talking about. I hope I don't get sick. We're supposed to be seeing some dolphins and stuff, so hopefully I don't get seasick. Hopefully. Now we're just waiting to start the tour. We got us some different dogs. Everybody eating their different dogs.
What can Mark say? I'm ready for the tour. You know what I'm talking about?
I bought this little fan because I'm hot. We're going down on the water for the tour. Ava's hot and she's kind of irritated. Y'all. It's so nice. My glass is about to fall off, but it's okay. And look how nice it is. Oh, I'm so excited. So Ava, we're on the boat. Stop picking your nose. We're on the boat. We're on the boat. And we're on the tour. Y'all, it's, my glasses are crooked. But it's so pretty out here. Seriously, it's so pretty. Like, look at this. Look at this, y'all. It's so nice out here. The houses are so beautiful. Like, look at that. So we saw a dolphin, but it won't come back out the water. It won't come back out the water.
Yeah, right now. Y'all got some good pictures.
Y'all ain't saying it right.
Ain't no Panaya.
Hey!
I can't wait for the baby.
So they're letting Ava drive the boat. My girl is driving the boat. Go, Ava, go! Yay, you're driving! Yeah, we're done with the dolphin tour, y'all. That was so fun. That was a lot of fun. Ava had fun. Come look, Ava. Look, you had fun? I was just waiting for her to say no. Ava had fun. She got to drive the boat. My girl was driving the boat. Now, we about to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. And we're about to go to this restaurant that we found on TikTok. He want to go in the water so bad. Y'all, today has just been a really good day. Like, this Mother's Day has been like no Mother's Day I have ever had. And I'm having a great time. We're here at the restaurant trying to find parking. Literally, it's so packed out here, y'all. Like, it don't make no sense how packed it is. And we're probably not even gonna be able to eat right now because I'm pretty sure you gotta have reservations for this place. No. Oh, they like that. I definitely have to get a camera so I can stop having to delete stuff on my phone and get storage on my phone to record. But we just made it to the restaurant.
Look at the cat.
Don't go get it. Come on. We just made it to the restaurant. I feel like we're going to have to wait a really long time because it's a lot of people here. Y'all, it took us forever to park. So I just know it's going to take us forever to sit down and eat. And the wait time is going to be insane. But we're about to see how long the wait time is going to be. So this is where we're sitting. The view is great. And now we're about to order this food.
You gotta get
Y'all
like
know
island
I'm about
punch.
to get a whole bunch of appetizers.
Look, they got alcohol liquor free. You gotta get the island punch.
They got liquor free for real? I'm about to get me a non-alcoholic drink. So our drinks just came out. I got a liquor-free drink. They got shark head. Help. No, stop it. The appetizers are here. Y'all, look at the food. That in that chair over there. Y'all, it looks so good. I didn't know these were fried, but they're fried. But y'all, it looks so good. Hi. I left my tripod in the car, but it's okay. It ain't gonna stop nothing. Y'all, these mussels are so good. Like, so good. Our food is here and it's so, it looks really good.
Okay, all right. Anything I can grab for you right now?
Some to-go plates.
To go? All right, absolutely.
I did leave my tripod in the car. I done said this multiple times, but y'all, look at my cheesecake. My cheesecake looks so good. I'm about to taste it. That's good. That's really good. My cheesecake good. It's really good. Yes. Like super good.
Let me get a bite. Let me get a bite.
You want a strawberry?
I want a bite.
You want a strawberry?
A bite.
You want it with a strawberry? I hate leftover food. It be soggy and moist and spitty. At this point, we done had dessert now. I'm ready to go home. Get in the bed. Relax a little. Relax a little. So that's the end of our Mother's Day weekend type thing. I think we're all tired. Except for Ava. Ava not tired for some reason. She not tired, but I'm tired. I know he tired. But we about to be on the way home and I'm about to go to bed. I had a really good day today. Today, I've never did anything like this today. Like, we literally saw dolphins. And then we ate at this really nice restaurant. The restaurant was called Skull Boathouse something. I don't know. I'll put it in the description. But this is my first video of many videos. I'm going to get better at vlogging. I'm not really good at it. I'm going to invest in the camera. And I'm going to really start doing this thing, you know. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And be ready for my next video.